So you've created your website and funnels, and now you want to connect a custom domain to each one. So let me show you how simple it is to do so. Simply click on Settings and then on Domain. There you'll be able to connect an existing domain. So just type in whatever it is. Let's say mydomain.com, just for the sake of the example. Click on Next, and there you see the 2 DNS records that you have to add to your domain provider when you have purchased your domain. So just add the A record and the CNAME record, and after that your domain should be connected to your website. So let me show you how simple it is to connect a domain to a funnel. It is very similar. So if you go, let's say you want to connect one to this funnel, simply click on the 3 dots and then show settings. Here, if you click on domain, you can connect an existing domain again. Just type in the domain that you want to connect, funnel domain, for example, and click on connect. Now you will see the same message, and all you have to do is add the same DNS records to the new domain that you've connected to your funnel. When you do that, your funnel should be connected to your domain and everything should be on fine. The SSL certificate, it might take a little bit longer to install, but don't worry. If you have any troubles, you can always contact us to install it sooner. This is how simple it is to connect a domain to a funnel and to a website. And if you have any questions, just let us know.